Hey, hello and welcome or welcome back. And I'm going to show you how to make this speedometer I just made for the fishing game that I'm switching over to Godot. And I just started switching this over to Godot yesterday. So, and I'm not that experienced with Godot. So give me a break if it doesn't look the best yet. Okay, but the speedometer. See, Godot is making this game already better than it was in Unity in so many ways. I didn't have a speedometer in the Unity's version. But, Godot, I figured out real easy how to do it. So I'm going to show you. But here's the boat. It's on the water. We can move it around. Um, it's got a kind of camera setup that'll catch up after you turn, given that kind of delay, more of a realistic turn. I need to tilt it up a little bit, sort of like a speedboat would be. I don't know why it gets like that. But that's new, actually. That bouncing around. I don't like it. But anyway, you can move around, and as you can see, the speedometer goes up and down. As I, increase my speed, it goes up. Decrease my speed, it goes down. So that's what I'll show you how I did. It's real simple, actually. So here in Godot, um, I have this boat node, which is that boat right there, and it's got a script on it that runs the boat. And to add the speedometer, you really only need, let's go back to 2D here. You really only need this background of a speedometer and then the needle, okay? So in my main scene, I added a new node and I made it a canvas layer, and then I gave it this sprite 2D node and gave it this graphic right here. I dragged it in from down here. And then I duplicated it so it would be in the same exact kind of transform, scale, and position and all that. And I just dragged over, and I called it needle. And then I just dragged over my needle image to it so it would be centered. And the needle image is kind of just a long image. Let me show you here real quick. Where is it? Right here. Yeah, so it's just a long image. You can't really see there, but you can see here with the needle mostly on top. And right here is the center of the image. So this is the point that that needle rotates around, you know. So that's how I made the needle image. And then again, like I said, I just dragged it onto the texture of the speedometer here. And when I made it, I gave it the alpha channel too, so you're not seeing any background or anything, you know. And then, like I said, the boat has the code, and in the code, I added this export variable. Let's zoom in on it so you can see. Added this export variable needle sprite 2D. That way I could drag the image into the inspector like I showed you. Okay, that's a little too much. And then you've got speedometer needle angle limits. We got a constant min angle, which for 0 on the speedometer is minus 150. And then a constant max angle, which is max speed in the boat, is 150. Okay, and I need to zoom this out so I can see. But yeah, so to get it working, all you need is a function like this, update speedometer, if needle, in other words, not null, variable rotation range equals max angle minus min angle. And then a variable speed ratio equals speed divided by the maximum speed, which is right here on the very top, and that's the speed of the boat. All right, that's the speed it's going, and that's as fast as it can go. And that's what it's making its speed ratio. And then the variable target angle equals the minimum angle plus the rotation range times the speed ratio. And then smoothly rotate the needle here with needle dot rotation degrees equals lerp needle dot rotation degrees by the target angle 0.1. Okay, so that's all you really need. And then update the speedometer. You need to update it, and that would be in your process, I guess, because yeah, that's in your at the last line of your process. You update, you run this function, so you update speedometer, and that's it. And um, it's so simple. It's just that image that really goes from here to like here, but you don't see any of this. This is the center of it, and we're just rotating it. This is minus 150 rotation of this needle, and then that is the 150 rotation of that needle, you know. So yeah, real simple, and it makes a good speedometer. So that's how I did that part, and hope that helped you guys. And if you liked it, like it. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Till next time, peace out.